Hi, welcome. Today we're going to be working through the tree snow globe snowflake, and we're going to go ahead and just line up the pattern on top of the folded coffee filter. And I'm going to go ahead and put 2 staples in. Just makes it easier for the beginners. You don't have to use a staple if you don't want to. And we're just going to go ahead and start by cutting out the Christmas tree. Be careful that you don't accidentally cut the tree out of the snowflake. You want it to stay as one piece here. Go ahead. If you wanted to, you can go ahead and take a paper punch and punch along here to have some snow, but I'm going to go ahead and just leave it plain today. Just go ahead and cut that along the outside. Okay, and then let's open it up and see how it turned out. Just remember to open it carefully in case it does catch on itself. We don't want to rip it. And there we go. Thank you for watching.